guys, it's Dana and I'm back with another DIY video. And this time it's lemonade lip scrub. So if you want to know how I made this lemonade lip scrub, then keep watching. You're going to need a small container so that you can store your lip scrub in. Then you're going to need a half a teaspoon, and you're also going to need 1 teaspoon. I have a small glass bowl here to stir in, and I also have a little spoon to stir with. So let's get into our ingredients. So you're going to need honey, a dye of your choice. I chose pink just so my lip scrub can leave a pink tint when I'm done. I have half a lemon here. I'm not going to use the whole thing. I have this peppermint extract. You can use mint, vanilla, but yeah, I just chose peppermint. White sugar, I have it in this little container. And last but not least, an oil of your choice. I chose olive oil. So the first thing you're going to want to do is get 3 teaspoons of sugar. Then you're going to need half a tablespoon of honey. Then after that, you're going to need half a teaspoon of oil. Now for these next ingredients, you can add as much as you like. I'm going to add a couple drops of my peppermint extract. And then I'm going to squeeze a couple drops of my lemon into my bowl. And then I'm going to use 1 drop of deep pink dye. And now we mix everything together. I'm going to go ahead and add more sugar because I want my lip scrub to be very, very granulated, but I also want it to clump together. Now that my lip scrub is at the consistency that I want it, I'm going to go ahead and move it to my little container. And now I'm going to put the cap on my lip scrub. Now that you've made your very own lip scrub, you can apply this to your lips 2 or 3 times a week by rubbing it on your lips for 1 to 2 minutes. Thank you for tuning in to my DIY lemonade lip scrub. If you've made it to the end of this video, I want you to comment your favorite holiday. And that's it for this DIY lemonade lip scrub. If you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe. And then go ahead and turn on the post notifications so that you are notified whenever I post a video. And I will see you on the next one.